All right, we're on the second job today. We're going to be doing this back patio piece. I'll show you and we'll get started. All right, this is what we're cleaning up today. It's just this little 10 by 10 piece. We're going to downstream some SH and surfactant on here and get it cleaned up. All right, I'm putting some SH in here. This is my sort of downstream container for SH. So I'll fill this up, put a little surfactant in there, and we'll be ready to go. For my surfactant, I'm using this Deluxe Fresh Lemon Wash. I usually put an ounce per gallon of SH. That's probably more than you need, but this stuff just makes it smell great and helps clean as well. Alright, so we'll put this in here, give that a little mix up. Got our, this is open. Alright, we'll connect our downstream injector and then finish connecting our hose. Alright, all set. Alright, that's it for the back patio. Came out real nice. It came out looking really good. Super quick and easy clean up here, but here's the finished version. So, alright, so this customer decided while we're here to do the garage floor, and I made him a good deal on the rest of the driveway, so we're going to do both. We're going to do the garage floor here, try and get some of these oil stains, and then the driveway. It's really not too bad. A little bit of organic, a little bit of tire marks, but that should come up pretty good. So let's get it done.